Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you the MILI211-C14 mid-calf boots in black leather by New Rock. All products that we unbox for you are available to buy online at www.gothicfootwear.com.au with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. And a sneaky little discount code there for anybody watching. Alright, let's get these boots out of the box and take a look. And New Rock uses very minimal packaging, so there's no plastic to unwrap here. So this is a lace-up boot with 12 eyelets and the round shoelaces. And we have the New Rock logo imprinted into the leather there on the side of the boot. It just has the single metal decoration on the tower sole of this style. And the sole is made from PU Ultra. I'll be dropping all the details about this boot in the description box below for this video. Now let's just grab the other boot out as well. So this is known as a military style. And this model is made with genuine cow leather with the pigskin on the inside lining. And they are European made in a factory in Spain. So the sizing for these boots are in European sizes from 36 to 47, which also converts to men's USA 4 to 15 or women's USA 6 to 17 or UK 3 to 14. So I'm going to unzip them and we'll have a look inside. You can also find the Australian size conversions are available on our website, www.gothicfootwear.com.au. Let us know what you think of this style. The full length inside zipper will make it much easier to get these boots on and off. So once you've done up your laces, you can just use the zipper. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and that way we'll know that you want us to make more of these unboxing videos. New Rock is currently one of my favourite brands for their quality, especially with the genuine cow leather that they use in their shoes and boots. But drop a comment below of which Demonia or New Rock or TUK style you want to see unboxed next time, and we'll see what we can do to make it happen on camera. So this is a military boot of mid-calf length from the Metallic collection, made with genuine cow leather, but I'll be dropping all the details of this boot below in the description box for this video. Now we'll take some shots of them together. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up if you like this video. We offer free shipping of New Rock for Australia and New Zealand customers, but you can also buy them direct from New Rock if you are in a different location. You won't go wrong with these unisex style of boots for winter. They're stylish, comfortable, and built to last. With just that little bit of added height on the platform tower sole, it's 4 centimeters at the platform base and then 6 centimeters at the heel, so just a slight incline. Well, that's all we have time for today. Come back soon to see more unboxing of your favorite styles. Thanks for watching.